Hello students, today we are going to write the worksheet answers of lesson 3 India Physical. So open your notebook, in the index write down serial number 10. Here you have to write today's date, then write down lesson name, India Physical. Now go to the new page. Here you have to write today's date, lesson 3 India Physical worksheet. Questions can be written by parents as well, but answers must be written by the child only. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The northern part of India has very high dash. So here you have to write answer mountains. Number 2. The highest mountains in the Himalayas are always covered in dash. Answer snow. Number 3. The Great Indian Desert is also called the dash. Answer Thar Desert. Number 4. The Thar Desert has a dash population. Answer low. Number 5. The eastern coastal plain is dash than the western coastal plain. Answer broader. Question 2. Match the columns. Number 1. Mount Everest. Answer is in Nepal. Write down here 5th. Number 2. Northern Plains. Answer good for growing crops. Write down here 4th. Number 3. Peninsula. Answer southern part of India. Right here 2nd. Number 4. Little rainfall. Answer desert. Write down here 3rd. Number 5. Coastal plains of India. Answer on both sides of the southern plateau. Write down here 1st. Question 3. Choose the correct words to fill in the blanks. Number 1. Mount Everest is the world's highest dash. Options: plateau, hill, plain, mountain peak. Answer mountain peak. Write down here answer mountain peak. Number 2. The river dash originates in the Himalayas. Options: Narmada, Yamuna, Tapi, Godavari. Answer Yamuna. Write down here answer Yamuna. Number 3. Rivers bring down dash from the mountains to make the northern plains fertile. Options: silt, sand, leaves, none of this. Answer silt. Write down here silt. Number 4. The dash has difficult living conditions. Options: Thar Desert, Eastern Coastal Plain, Western Coastal Plain, Southern Plateau. Answer Thar Desert. Write down here answer Thar Desert. Number 5. The Lakshadweep Islands are located in dash. Options: the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, none of this. Answer the Arabian Sea. Question 4. Unscramble these letters to form the correct words. Number 1. The region below the Himalayas. Answer Terai. Number 2. A river that waters the northern plains. Answer Ganga. Number 3. A desert in India. Answer Thar. Number 4. The southern part of India. Answer Peninsula. Number 5. A range that separates the southern plateau from the northern plains. Answer, Satpuras. Question 5. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Name India's main physical divisions. Answer, India has 6 main physical divisions. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the Great Indian Desert, the Southern Plateau, the Coastal Plains, and the Island regions. Number 2. What is the terai? Answer, the terai is a region that lies below the Himalayan slopes. It is covered by trees and tall grasses. Number 3. Why are the northern plains densely populated? Answer, the northern plains are a level and flat region which is watered by the Himalayan rivers such as the Ganga and the Yamuna. These rivers bring very fine soil called silt, making the area very fertile. As a result, Plenty of crops are grown here. Many people live and work here. Number 4. Number 4. Describe the Great Indian Desert and explain why life is not easy there. Answer. The Great Indian Desert is dry and receives very little rainfall, hardly any plants or trees are found here. Summers are very hot and in winters the nights are bitterly cold. This region has a low population because of these difficult living conditions. Number 5. Why do most rivers in the southern plateau flow from west to east? Answer. The southern plateau slopes from west to east, which is why most rivers in this region flow from west to east.